Question number 10. Lining epithelium of trachea is simple squamous epithelium, simple cubical epithelium, simple columnar ciliated epithelium, pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Now this is how you're going to find the lining epithelium of trachea. So you can see is the basement membrane here, and over to this you find cells of different heights. So the nuclei, you can see they are placed at different levels. The nuclei spreaded like one above another in a stratified manner. But one more important thing is that all of these cells, they may be of different heights, but they all are touching the basement membrane. Some may be basal cells, some may be columnar cells. Mostly all of them are columnar, but some are small and basal cells, which are meant for the replenishment of the fallen cells, the dying out cells. And you also have goblet cells in between, right? So these cells, they're all touching the basement membrane, and onto the surface you also appreciate that there is the cilia lining here. So these are all columnar cells, but they are of varying heights, so the nuclei appear stratified, right? The appearance of nuclei at different levels give it a stratified appearance. That's why this epithelium is called pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Remember, it's a hallmark feature for identifying trachea, apart from the hyaline cartilaginous rings deeper inside. But this feature is a hallmark feature. Very commonly you can say the prototype example of a pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium is trachea, right? So it lines the airway passage right from the nasal chambers in the trachea and even reaching down to the principal bronchus. However, down below from the bronchioles onwards and the secondary bronchus, tertiary bronchus onwards, it's the simple columnar ciliated epithelium. And the thickness of epithelium keeps thinning out as the airway passage continues down distally towards the parenchyma. One another example of pseudostratified ciliated epithelium you can add up here is the pathway of semen ejaculation, right from the epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, ejaculatory ducts, and even in the membranous and penile urethra also you find is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So the answer to the question number 10 is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium.